Welcome back. Till now, we succeeded in getting the ID of the clicked button and playing the correct sound. Every time we need to check for the clicked button ID, we need to create a media player instance, and this is not a good approach. We need to create one instance of the media player and start it with the correct sound. So for that, we need to create a new function called play sounds. And I need to pass the ID, and I'll move this code to here. It's very simple now. I'll call play sounds method, and instead of passing here r.row.read, I'll pass ID. Remember, media player.create function needs two parameters. The first one is the context, which is no problem, and it's provided by this, and int resource ID. If I pass this ID as an argument for the play sounds, it will play it directly. Here, I need to pass r.id or r.row.read. Let me run, test it, and it plays the red sound. Congratulations, guys! We succeeded in getting this media player and playing the sounds correctly with no problem and without making it boilerplate code. Else if button ID r.id dot. So I'll make the same for the other buttons. And here we go. We're covering all the cases, all 5 buttons, and calling the method play sounds when passing the correct row resource. Run our application. Now let's play the sounds.
Noir, vert, violette, rouge, jaune.
And congratulations, guys. This is how we use the media player in Android Studio to play the sounds that are placed in the row folder.